So welcome back to my channel. It's another video. It means it's another day to learn something new. So for today, we will talk about the science behind population density. So in this lesson, we will talk about the meaning, significance, and also the factors that affect population density. So let's head on to the video. So as we all know, environments are designed for a specific number of individuals. So the number of individuals that occupy an area are very important when it comes to science, specifically in the study of biology. So when it comes to population density, we have what we call populations. So this means groups of individuals belong to the same species that live in the same region at the same time. So with that information, we can say that population density is a measure of the number of organisms that make up a population in a defined area. So population density doesn't only apply to humans, but it applies to all organisms on Earth, including the plants that make up vast crops, trees of the jungle, animals on the farm, and of course, fish in the oceans. So no matter where a population of organisms lives, those organisms make up the population density for a given area. So now we know what population density is. I want you to use your imagination. Imagine you're in a crowded elevator. I know, it's not an ideal situation, but let's imagine. So it gets hot, stuffy, and very uncomfortable. So certainly no one would want to try to live in or survive continuously in overcrowded conditions. So this is true in biology as well. So ecosystem functions best when they have the correct number of organisms making up a population to utilize the resources available. So this ideal number of a population is known in biology as the carrying capacity. So in simple words, carrying capacity is the maximum population size that the environment can sustain with the limiting factors we have. We know that most instances, conditions are not ideal. Things such as climate, food, water availability, and other factors keep populations in check. So competition and predation also work as biological means of regulating populations. So this is where limiting factors comes in. Limiting factors are the various reasons that affect population growth. And in limiting factors, we have two kinds. We have the density-dependent factors and also the density-independent factors. So when we talk about density-dependent factors, these are elements that influence the population size where population density matters. So some example of these are disease, habitat, water, and food. Moving to another kind of limiting factors is density-independent factors. So density-independent factors are elements that affect the population size regardless of the population density or the number of organisms in the specific area. So example of these are climate, hunting, and earthquakes. I hope you learned something new and you're able to know the things that can help you in the future. We knew the meaning of population density, significance of it, and of course the factors that affects it. And before I end this video, always remember that population density isn't just about how many of us in a specific area, but it is about numbers, how these numbers affects or determine our survival. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye!